Welcome back to What's for Supper Wednesday, folks. In today's episode, we're going to be getting it out of an Amish cookbook, and it's poor man's steak. It turned out pretty good. Let's get started. Alrighty, now we're going to mix up that 3 pounds of burger with a cup of cracker crumbs and a cup of cold water. Just blend all that together real good. Yep, better take that ring off, Shug. Just get it all mixed up good there. Take that and put it on a cookie sheet. I think Carolyn's took a piece of parchment paper and put on that. Yep, sure has. Now we're just going to press that down in there, and then we'll put it in the freezer to let it set up a little bit. Going to cut it into squares. Now I'm going to drop it down in some flour. Just brown it up now on each side. Alrighty, now you don't have to cook it all the way through, folks. We're just frying it, browning it up on each side, and we'll be setting it to the side there, because we're going to be cooking it all the way through when we go to bake it. We'll be baking it at 325 for an hour and a half to 2 hours. Alrighty, Carolyn's putting that cream of mushroom soup on there now. And just going to spread it out over top of it there. Now the recipe calls for not adding any water or anything. Carolyn said that she believes it would have helped out if we'd have added just a little bit of water in with this here. So you do whatever you feel's best. I'm telling you now, it turned out great. It tastes, real good. There's the finished product. Alrighty. Folks, I'd like to thank y'all for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. And you all have a blessed day. We'll be seeing you soon. Thank you again for watching.